Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on keep inventory in Minecraft. All right, so first up, you're going to want to check or double check if your open to LAN allow commands is on. And then once that's done, just go ahead and go back in game. And then you can go ahead and type down / right, a game rule, like so, space keep inventory _ inventory right here, space what? True. So that you keep it on. There you go. Now says game rule keep inventory is now set to true. Keep inventory is now active. Now you go ahead and do that on Bedrock as well. I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Open up cheats right here under settings. Got to find a game and then scroll all the way down till you find cheats or the cheat section. Activate cheats, enable it, and then find keep inventory, enable it as well. Now once that's done, enjoy the game. And that is it. That is how you turn on keep inventory in Minecraft. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.